Hi, in this video we are going to look at the dashboard exercise. One of the dashboard we have already seen in the classroom. This one is a little different in terms of how we are going to establish the relationship between the data that has been given to us. So over here the data has been given to us in terms of call ID, a date and time, project, product, which region it is, and customer type, duration, result, the satisfaction ratio, upsell, agent ID. So uh, this is more like a customer service dashboard, and little bit related to a sales kind of a dashboard over here, which has been given to us. Uh, Dashboard which we have created for your reference looks something like this. We are going to do a part by part whatever which has been displayed over here in terms of uh, uh, if we select something like this, then the output over here changes. If we select something like this, then the output changes. We select the product, then the output changes. We can select a different kind of a chart type, then the output changes. So over here we'll start the first and foremost thing, which is to take the product, region, customer type, agent ID separately in a different sheet, and find unique products because we need drop down of something like this. So we will try to find out uh, unique data set amongst this. So how do we do that? So we'll go to a different sheet altogether. The data has been already given to us. We will start with a uh, separate data set over here. So first we will start with product, which is over here. We will take in a separate sheet, which is product over here. We will copy and paste this data over here. We will select this, or we will select the entire data set. We'll go at the top. We'll go at the top, and we click on insert. We click on data. We click on data. There is something called as data remove duplicates over here. Before we remove duplicates, we need to sort this from A to Z. So we'll sort this, and then we click on remove duplicates. So once we do that, it will have only 5 or 6 values which is applicable over here, and we'll copy this and we'll paste it over here as values only. Same thing we will do with the region. We will copy the entire data set over here to a unique sheet. We will change the name of the header. We will sort this from A to Z, and we will click on remove duplicates, and we find out that there are 5 unique values available. Similarly, for the customer type, we will go to data over here. We will customer, and we will paste the data over here, and we will sort this, and we will click on remove duplicates. So we find out that there are only 4 values which is available. Same thing which we will do with the agent ID as well. Agent, we will sort first, and we'll click on remove duplicates. We find out there are 6 unique values which have been presented to us, and we will delete this column. And these are the different charts which we need in terms of presentation, and we will see how do we work around it. So this is the first video where we learned how do we remove duplicates. So first thing, when you click the function remove duplicates, precursor to that is the data set has to be sorted either from A to Z or Z to A. So that caution has to be taken. So that's pretty much about what video. Uh, More on the dashboard you will find out in the coming videos. Thank you.